We present Mockup Builder, a 3D modeling system combining gestures on a multi-touch surface and gestures in 3D space. Using a stereoscopic display, users can directly interact with 3D models or edit them using gestures on or above the surface. We designed the user interface to let people interact with objects as if they were real. Our setup combines a multi-touch surface with a 3D projector for stereoscopic visualization. And we use a Kinect camera and 2 game tracks instrumented with a button to track user gestures on and above the surface. Fusing the different types of input, we are able to identify which hand fingers belong to, or continue tracking fingers as they move between surface and free space. While interacting on the surface, users can sketch using the dominant hand or manipulate shapes with the non-dominant hand without needing any explicit mode selection. Sketch recognition is used to recognize simple shapes, and beautification is performed to adjust line and curve drawings. Using existing content, users can create complex shapes with multiple strokes, or use both hands to define a symmetrical axis. When interacting above the surface, users can move or extrude shapes along their normal using the dominant hand. Shapes can also be extruded along curve gestures to create free-form shapes. Faces can be cut to add details, and extrusion can be done continuously from sketches. While the dominant hand is used to sketch or model, the non-dominant hand can be used to define constraints for the dominant hand. Or it can be used to present a contextual menu following the hand to select operations or modes such as copy. Menus can also be used for continuous gestures to complement a modeling operation such as scaling while extruding an object. As on the surface, the non-dominant hand can be used to move objects in space to stack them. It can also be used to control the orientation and scale using both hands to better explore or manipulate the shape. Shapes can be snapped according to a plane. This makes it easy to switch between free space and surface for sketching on a face. We now illustrate Mockup Builder with 4 scenarios.